Hello, welcome. I'm gonna give a little tour of my little construction here. I wanted to check how high I could build, and yeah, I got to the limit. I didn't have permission to break down, so yeah, there's some funky shit like these pillars I missed. I put the foundation in the grass, and that's why I could not put other things here, so I just made the best I could do. And so this is the other side. I didn't close the full side because otherwise I couldn't look inside what I was doing. So you would need to make it bigger. So you need 4 foundations, I would say, and then build a fortress, and then you can look through the walls. At the moment now it's too small, so I left gaps to be able to look inside, and I still need to go do a little bit blind. Yeah, the goal was to have a little platform down, so I could, yeah, maybe jump in a boat. Going out would be too dangerous, I think. But yeah, so this is a little covered porch. Yeah, I guess you could still, yeah, it's like to be out of the rain basically. Here a little balcony, so let's go inside. A little front room, and here again one of these pillars I would have deleted, but it doesn't really matter, you can just go to this side. Let's go through this side, and then you see what happens. But because I know what I'm doing, I've been here before, so here you can still see it. It's a stair. So it's basically a staircase that is blocked because of this thing is not high. I can walk up straight away. Okay, cool. That was the first time it happens. And then you walk in. So I left the side open, otherwise you can't see inside anymore what the hell you're doing. So this is the first room here. You need to crawl in it, but I close the door, I guess. Oh no. So yeah, this is the door. It's a bit tricky to get in, but it is safe. Here we go. So, welcome to the room. This is room number 1 of the apartment building. With a nice bed. You can claim this if you like. And then here we have a little balcony to look out of. And these pillars I put them in fire. I wanted to delete them because for some reason it's not possible to put another platform up here. Yeah, I don't think this little platform was actually meant to be able to be built, but hey. So if I could I would delete these sticks, but I made him burn before in the pictures. So yeah, it's actually cool. It's like I'm gonna check how much damage they actually took from my arrow, from my sticks. Okay, they were almost broke. Cool. But yeah, I need to go. So then we have a little outside here too. Oh. Nice. I hear sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but you actually do get up it eventually. It's weird, sometimes I walk in, yeah, the foundation needs to be flat. It wasn't this way. Yeah, you see, it's like weird. Never mind. And then here you can stand, watch to the river, and also shoot if you want to shoot stuff. Protect the river. Pretty cool. Oh. Alright, so now we get back. So now we go a level higher. Bam. And this was actually my room. So here it's a little bit more, a bit bigger and better planned. It's a bed with the ocean view, so you can watch through there. There's a little door here too. Shoot. I built this door here, but apparently I built it a bit too high, so now I'm afraid I can't go on my little balcony anymore. That is a shame. But yeah, otherwise I would just torch it. That's such a limit if you cannot. So this is my other. Normally I would have a little balcony, but still I can shoot arrows. I wonder if you could put a scorpion here too, with a door, then open the door, and they actually them only see there's a scorpion. That would be so fun. Like eat like a tower, like looking pretty chilled, but then the window's open. So here I have also one of these shooting doors to shoot this way. And then we go all the way on top with a little ledge so you don't fall off here. Oh. And then here we have made one of these things. So cool. Yeah, I'm really happy with the result. For the first time I actually built something like this. Took me 6 hours though, or like 5-6 hours. And then yeah, I got, this is the highest I can build. I couldn't go higher, so my plan was to put more scaffolding here. And yeah, but I can't. I still have wood, but where is the fortress stuff? Yeah, it doesn't want to do anymore. It is just not wanting. I tried, but it doesn't want to stick. It doesn't want to do, and so I decided to put like as you see, this is the highest I can go. If I want to, I can only go lower, but that's the highest I can go. But I don't think there's any point. So for some reason this one goes a bit higher, or maybe it's the same height and it's optical illusion. But hey, it would be nice if you could go high, but I guess. So as you see now, you basically see the base not anymore. I'm so high that things disappearing. But yeah, that's my base. Here I have a nice vantage point to shoot. And yeah, I think that would be nice to have more bases like this. Just everything in the tower. Okay, let's maybe make a bow. I think this is what I need for it, right? Alright. Let's leave a gift for some strangers. Give me a bow so I can shoot some arrows, because I'm gonna log off. Here we go. Now we're gonna see how far we can shoot. We can leave the hammer here. Maybe. Yeah, this is. Gonna just leave it here for somebody to find. I will give the food also to somebody. Did I make it? Here you go, buddy. And I guess I will just give the woodworks as a donation. So my last house tour. So let's go in the house. It's so enjoyable. A little jumpy. Oops. So how far can we shoot? That's really cool. Shooting over the wall or not? I am. That's very, very nice. So yeah, that was my tower. Hope you guys enjoyed my little tour, my Anvil Cribs series. So yeah, I imagine 2 towers next to each other with a bridge. Oh, this game is cool. So yeah, thanks guys, see you next time.